Good evening to everybody. As decided earlier, I had intimated to all and everybody that coming Sunday, that means 30th of November 2025, I'll be going with a topic on MCB and RCCB and how they protect us from getting shocked. In this regard, I now switch on my camera to the arrangement which I have made. You can see the whole arrangement is like this. Here is one MCB and here is one RCCB. How we differentiate between MCB and RCCB? See, MCB has got one wire connected, one input and the output. But in case of RCCB, you could see there are two wires coming and two wires going out. That means whenever we are using RCCB like this, we are having one advantage. I will discuss about that. Here one advantage, but here another advantage. This is suppose 300 rupees. For that added advantage, this will be minimum 1000 rupees. That is the difference in price in market, because technology is added. In this MCB, you will be able to see this packet I have kept for your reference, and the company has mentioned 0.5 ampere. Please see 0.5 ampere here. That means this is designed to withstand a current of 500 milliampere. This one. But this is designed to withstand a current of 6 ampere. So, what is the difference? I will show you now. This MCB, because I have selected particularly for 500 milliampere to show all our viewers that when this is loaded with a load like your water heater, I show you water heater is already here ready. This is a immersion heater. This will be connected from this particular point. This is the point where we take the load. Now, from this point I have utilized this top, that means I have to utilize this one, that means the light only. So, when the light is glowing and this is allowing the current, because this is on, you remember this is on, that means this current by red wire will come to the MCB and then coming out to this socket, and from which your top is ready to provide power to this item. But now what I will do for your reference, I will make it off. Now please see, I make it off. Why make it off? Because I have to connect a new load, and for new load what I have to do, I have to remove this one. I remove this one, and then for your reference I add another top which connects to immersion heater. So, this is already loaded to the top or socket, but power is not there. So, I will give a power now by putting this switch on, and the moment I make this switch on, you will see there will be a sound. I will refer to this. So, please observe not only sound, this lever you have to observe, this lever, this is the control lever. The moment I make it on, you will find the lever will be off. Again I take it back and I switch on the switch, and the load is immersion heater. I have already told you this is very high load for this particular MCB, because that immersion heater is 2000 watts suppose. That means for a supply voltage of 220, the minimum current it will handle is 8 ampere. But this is designed for surviving only for 0.5 ampere. That means hardly it will resist up to 1 ampere or 2 ampere, but not 8 ampere. So immediately it is shutting down. So this is very interesting. Now what I do, I make it again back and I remove this load. So while removing this load, please wait. I have removed this load I have removed. Now I again apply this small current load like your LED lamp, and then I make it on, and then I switch it on here also, and you can see the light glows. That means light will glow indefinitely when this is connected in the line, but it will not trip until unless there is a short circuit or overcurrent. So your MCB is mostly designed to provide the security rather when overcurrent is flowing in your line by any chance. So this program is over. MCB, any miniature circuit breaker. Now what I do, this switch I will off, and another RCCB, whatever I told you, this is input is 2 wires. This 2 wire input is coming from this particular socket where the switch is off, and I give a switch it on. So when I give this switch on, then this light will be again made on. So I have to show that this light is on. Now we will watch the advantage of this. Because this is 6 ampere, so this lamp is not a overcurrent and this will withstand until unless there is no short circuit. But now what I want to show you, suppose this is glowing, this is loaded, and from this device we are having another lamp which is a bed lamp, and you remember the bed lamp, one wire is connected to this RCCB from live. You can see from L, it is written L. That means from live point one phase wire goes there, and the other wire, neutral wire, is here with me. Why it is with me? It is open till now. I want to show you that it can glow. It can glow, right, if I give it to the neutral point. But anyway, whenever I added another extra lamp from this, that means this RCCB understands that another current is flowing from this point to another source, not to my source. I will show you what is the reality. I make it on, and this is the wire with me, and then I will make it on first. This is on, please check. And now if I provide this wire to this neutral, the neutral of the RCCB, it will glow, I will show you, but there will be no trip. it is tripping somehow. I have to check, but for the time being you could record that whenever we are adding another load current from this source, this is tripping. I think I will again have another program for RCCB. See, another demonstration I left with me. Suppose this is loaded now and this wire is with me, and I take it to the earth point. So, for example, we are having a earth point here, and if I connect to earth point also, this will trip. Sound comes, you should understand that the RCCB trips. So, RCCB provides security against leakage current. If by any chance 30 milliampere current is flowing without this circuit, that means bypassing, then this will trip. So, why 30 milliampere they have selected? There is a background. I say, suppose I am working here and there and I get a shock, then my body will conduct 30 milliampere current to the ground. By that time this will be off. That means I will be having a shock temporarily, but because it will be tripping, so I will not die. But here this will not protect you when we are dying, because that technology is not inbuilt here. So, this is very interesting, and I hope now I will have another trial also. Let me check what is that. Say I will make it on, and then get the lamp on, and then I switch it off, this lamp, and then what is the need I am doing? I connect this wire to the neutral of this particular socket. Let me see whether the lamp is glowing or tripping. Trips, sound comes. So, that means it has been loaded with extra security of bypassing. Bypass current will not be allowed. So, thank you all. I will have another live program with another supporting hand with me, but today I was alone, so I could not do another round. I have to show you another round. That means another live program I will be forecasting, and on that day I will be showing you if we touch the live wire, then this will be tripping, but that will be another device. So, for showing that device, that is called RCBO, remember. So, in today's program we covered MCB, we covered RCCB, and in the coming program we will be covering these two plus RCBO, please remember. So, that RCBO will be very essential for understanding how our life is very valuable and it should be protected at any cost. Thank you all for being with me. Have a nice night. Good night.
Sorry.